team, I'm excited to announce that we'll be implementing new tablet devices for all nursing staff. These devices will revolutionize the way we deliver patient care and access patient information.
That sounds great, Mihira. What features will these tablets have?
The tablets will be equipped with advanced software that allows us to access electronic health records, order medications, and document patient assessments. They'll also have built-in communication tools to facilitate collaboration between team members.
Will there be any training on how to use these tablets?
Absolutely. We'll provide comprehensive training sessions to ensure everyone is comfortable using the new technology. There will also be ongoing support available if you have any questions or encounter difficulties.
Mihira, are there any concerns about data security and privacy?
We've implemented robust security measures to protect patient data. The tablets will be equipped with encryption and access controls to ensure confidentiality.
Mihira, now that you're recovering from your fall, let's talk a little about getting around. The doctor might have mentioned using crutches or a walker, and these will be really helpful in keeping weight off your injured leg at first. As your healing progresses, the doctor will guide you on when you can start putting a little more weight on it, so please follow their instructions closely. To help with any swelling and make you more comfortable, try to keep your leg raised whenever you're resting. You can use pillows to prop it up. Applying ice packs to the area for short periods, a few times a day, can also work wonders in reducing swelling and easing any discomfort you might be feeling. Remember, taking it slow and steady is key to a good recovery.